Guten Tag, willkommen zum Deutschkurs or welcome to the German learning course. In the previous video, we have learned about bestimmten or definite articles der, das, die und die, unbestimmten or indefinite articles ein, einer and negating articles kein, keiner und keiner for nominative case. Today's lesson is only an extension to it. We shall learn about possessive pronoun or possessive pronouns. So what exactly are they? These are the pronouns which show the possession or ownership in a sentence. For example, that is my house. This is his watch. Her car is fast. My sister is smart, etc. Learning possessive pronouns can increase your speaking ability to a much greater extent. You can start expressing yourself in German and also initiate small talks with others in a better way. I shall first give a table of different conjugative forms and later apply it in the example sentences by taking this table as the reference. By practicing several examples and speaking German in real time, slowly we get habituated to the usage of the corresponding pronouns easily. Possessive pronouns. This column indicates the pronouns. If you aren't sure how to use them, please refer to the lesson 2 of this series. Link is in the description below. Each row indicates the conjugation of masculine, neuter, feminine und plural forms of the pronouns respectively. We shall first go through this table and later apply them in the sentences. Please repeat after me. Ich or I, mein, meine, meiner. All the possessive pronouns for masculine and neutral gender are same for their nominative case. Similarly, all the possessive pronouns for feminine and plurals are same, they just have an additional e at the end. Quite easy to remember, isn't it? Du or the informal you, dein, deiner, deiner. Es, he or it, sein, seiner, seiner. Sie or she, ihr, ihrer, ihrer. Wir, we, unser, unserer, unserer. Ihr, you plural or you all, euer, eure, eure. Sie, they, ihr, ihrer, ihrer. Sie or the formal you, ihr, ihrer, ihrer. Please notice that the I must be capitalized for the formal you, sie. Don't worry, you will understand all of these after we do a few examples. My bag. Bag is called Tasche auf Deutsch. Tasche is feminine and my corresponds to the pronoun ich. So from the table, the feminine possessive pronoun of ich is meine. Therefore, meine Tasche. So until you get used to the corresponding pronouns from the table, please make a note of the table in your journal and keep referring to it while answering the exercises. Now, can you try saying his bag in German? Refer to the he section of the table. As we know, Tasche is feminine, so it'll be seine Tasche. Seine Tasche. Your house is big. Hint. House is das Haus. Das indicates neuter gender. And big is groß. Here you could be formal or informal. We shall do both versions. First informal. Dein Haus ist groß. Dein Haus ist groß. Now formal. Ihr Haus ist groß. Ihr Haus ist groß. My mother is beautiful. Hint, Mother is die Mutter. Beautiful is schön. Meine Mutter ist schön. Meine Mutter ist schön. Our bus is slow. Hint. Bus is der Bus. Here bus has the same spelling in German as in English, but it is pronounced as Bus. Der Bus. That is, it is masculine in gender. Slow is langsam. Unser Bus ist langsam. Unser Bus ist langsam. Is it her watch? Hint. Watch is die Uhr. Ist es ihre Uhr? Ist es ihre Uhr? That's not your class. Hint. If we consider your as plural here, it takes euer, and class is die Klasse. Das ist nicht eure Klasse. Das ist nicht eure Klasse. If you have doubts on where to use the negating words nicht and kein, please refer to the lesson 6 of the series, whose link is given in the description below. Now it's time for Übung or exercises. I shall give 3 questions and you may try to answer them in the comment section below. Where is my luggage? How much does your car cost? What are your hobbies? I have shared the list of question words used in basic German level on my Facebook page. Make sure to follow it for more German vocabulary. In the next video, we shall learn about der Akkusativ case in detail. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay connected. Thank you for watching. Dankeschön.